Hello guys, I'm in like loaded place right now and I feel so peaceful here because of the snow. It feels very nice and just sunny as well. So I will show you some solutions that I have found for a technical problem. I think it will help you. So check the video, and if it helps you, just subscribe to my channel. See you. Bye. Thank you guys for watching the video. I hope that the solution or the solutions helped you right there. And if they did, please consider subscribing my channel. I would love it. Thank you. Bye.